Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than 2. Within 72 hours, Threads has accrued 70 million plus users within 3 days' time. That is about a quarter of the users that Twitter has in less than a week. I can't even begin to explain to you how big that is. It's huge. And I know people are saying, oh yeah, but the newness will wear off and people will get tired of it. Will they return? Will they come back to Threads, or will they just forget about it? I think they will. I really do. I think Threads it takes what Instagram was doing and just adds to it while being a separate experience, right? If you have an Instagram account, you can suddenly have a parallel Threads account. You don't have to have a Threads account, right? But you can. And by the way, you absolutely should. It's a place where I feel a lot of conversations are going to start happening, and that is absolutely going to suck the air out of Twitter's already, balloon. I'm not saying it's direct competition to Twitter in every way, shape, and form, certainly not in the first iteration of what Threads happens to be, but it's a step in the right direction. And you got to understand that Facebook gets social. Meta gets social. Instagram gets social. That is a stark contrast to, let's say, what people have tried to compare it to, Google. Google doesn't get social, okay? They don't at all. They acquired YouTube, okay? And it's taken them years to figure out how it works. And they still haven't figured out social within YouTube. That's my humble opinion. More on that topic at a future date. But let's think about what Google has tried with social and failed because they don't understand social. Orkut back in the day, which was really a pet project. Buzz was kind of fun. And then, of course, Plus. You had a Google account, and they said, oh, you have a Plus account instantaneously. People didn't like that. That was the wrong way to go. Meta hasn't done that. And that is why I believe Threads has staying power. So I'll see you there.